Hello and welcome. Today we'll show you how to pair your Casambi remote to your network, and then configure it to control your luminaires. Open the app and access your network. Then tap on More in the bottom right. Now select Switches from the menu, and tap on the Add an Ocean Switch button. To successfully complete this next step, you'll need to make sure that NFC is turned on in your device settings. Now to connect, simply hover your device over the first set of buttons on the remote. The app treats the two sets of buttons as distinct switches, so you'll have to repeat the process for the lower set. To help us discern between the top and bottom sets, let's quickly do some renaming. Now it's time to configure the remote. We'll set our first two buttons on the top of the remote to control two different lights. We'll be able to turn the lights on or off with a click, and change the brightness with a long press. Now we'll set the third and fourth buttons to activate scenes. For guidance on creating scenes in Casambi, check out our video. These scenes are configured to turn both of the lights, off or on. Disable dimming simply prevents a long press from changing a scene's brightness. With use toggle set on, lights can be turned on and off with a button click. If it were off, they could only be turned on. One of the luminaires we're controlling today is using an RGBW strip. So, what we're going to do is have the lower four buttons activate scenes that have the light shining red, green, blue and white. The first button turns these two tube lights on and off, and a long press can increase or dim their brightness. The second button acts in the same way, just for the light on the desk. We can use the third and fourth buttons to turn both lights on or off simultaneously. To wrap up, the Casambi 8-button remote is a straightforward yet versatile switch. It uses kinetic energy harvesting technology, which means you'll never have to replace batteries. It also comes with a sleek wall mount. Thanks for watching. We hope that you found this video helpful, and we look forward to creating more like it in the future.